it's really late night, and before I go and sleep today, I really want to use Hermes agent, especially because Claude Code in my computer is kind of good, but it is taking a lot of resources, especially because this is a MacBook Air and it doesn't even have a cooling fan. But I love the system. But it's just that when I'm opening up, let's say, Claude Code and I am using Brave browser, the whole system kind of crashes. Not crashes, but it's terribly slow. So let's just make a multi-agent system. I've seen this guy who's like an Indian guy. I think you guys also might seen this guy. Not this one. This guy who had created like OpenClaw, and he created a site known as Site GPT or something like that, which got a really good traction. So let's create the same thing in Hermes.
Guys, after some kind of troubleshoot with Zero, we are back online, and what we're going to do is copy this prompt and then sorry guys, I'm about to sleep. So let me just go walk you through what is happening. So we have created a very detailed prompt for our Hermes agent, but we are trying to build a pirate crew of AI agents so that we can monitor our website way faster, quicker, and also in 15 minutes interval. So after that, I'm going to say, hey Hermes, can you create an agent stack like this? The copy will actually go through. So let's paste it here. I think we need to change the GLM model because GLM model has a very slow or a very small token size, but I think that would turn out good. So we're going to end the day for today. Since Hermes is on a cloud VPS, I really don't have to monitor. Even if I off my laptop today, it will kind of work in background. So it's starting up and it's creating sub-agents like Trafalgar Law, Surgeon of Death, Lead Researcher, investigates user flow, finds technical friction, comedy deep dives, browser tools, blah blah blah. Doflamingo, Warlord, SEO Specialist, Nami, the Navigator, Designer and UX, Pocus DAs, Firefist, Developer, Whitebeard, the World's Strongest Man, Growth and Retention, Zoro, the Swordman, and wealth, fame, and power, achieve everything the world has to offer. Now let's build what thing. You are Goldie Roger, the Pirate King. You can you manage a fleet of autonomous specialists. It's going to take time, so I'm going to off this record, and that's up for today, guys. Very good night. I'm going to sleep off. It's already 4 a.m. in the morning. Okay, I think we have done that. I want to change my name to Beast, the captain of this era, not Goldie Roger, and also how can we implement a dashboard that I can see so I can understand how the agents talk with each other. So this is what is being created. Every 15 minutes all of these agents would go and check the website. Now I have given the command to create a dashboard and I'm going to sleep hopefully. That's it, guys. Good night.
Okay, yesterday we have actually created that Hermes agent, multi-agent system. So today let's ask Hermes how do we access the dashboard? Like we created a multi-agent system with much like that guy who is an Indian. Give me a second. How do I access the dashboard created today morning, 4 a.m. Of that multi-agent system. So what I have figured out is this OpenClaw or Hermes agent is morely used as secondary employees, as a tester, as an optimizer, as a researcher, and not primary employees like Claude, which cannot be replaced. Because Claude can generate much more guaranteed results, much more better results. Perplexity, on the other hand, can be used for a deeper research or deeper Google search, which is an alternative of Google search, whereby if you have a faintest idea of what you want to do and you can articulate it into English or your regional language, then Perplexity can search it out for you, right? Let it be GitHub repos, let it be multi-agent slacks, let it be even yesterday. Give me a second. This was a prompt by some of the Y Combinator. I only got prompt till here. I couldn't complete what is this thing. So what I did was go to Perplexity and then said, there was some guy in Y Combinator who had publicly disclosed a prompt. It starts with this thing, so fill it up for me. And it gave me the post and I could copy the prompt and I'm using it everywhere. Now let it figure out the multi-agents dashboard. In the meanwhile, I am going to push the app into Play Store. And we need to check for the verification of Google Search Console tomorrow because it will take around 48 hours for verification. Spit out a response and it said you have to go to the construct this thing. So this is damn guys, oh my days. So this is the whole multi-agent system that we created. We have created what? This is not the thing, guys. Notion dashboard, builder flow, not that. Hey guys, so this is my Pirate Crew agents, which will be going and understanding the whole website, and it is hosted on Hermes Agent, and this is a server which is actually in Singapore. So even if the system crashes or the motherboard fries, I really don't care. But I have a remote access to this thing, and as you can see, it's like different agents having different skills. One is research agent, one is SEO agent, one is design agent, one is developer agent, and Whitebeard is like busy, and Zoro is there. So I really thought that it would be fun. In order, everybody is like creating Jarvis, and I really don't think Jarvis is that good. But a pirate crew for your own AI empire, that seems really interesting. And after the first iteration of the first drop of the website, it is saying law noticed user drop at pricing page. Nami agreed pricing could be clearer. Law said speed audit complete, 5 bottlenecks found. Now I can go through each of this thing and understand what is happening here. I've got to say I have the best multi-agent setup here. So I used Hermes agent to create this Pirate Crew agents. I'll show that in a moment. But before that, this whole agent space is in Singapore, and I'm in India at the moment, and I can access this whole dashboard here in India through Hermes agent, which is done through Termus. And what I can do is, like, if I have once I log into here, you could see there is Grand Fleet, and Law has gone through the whole website, which is our website, which is SiteEasy. And it has said, okay, Law has noticed user dropped off at pricing page. So I need to actually see what is the issue with pricing page, because pricing page has not been updated, guys. And that was a really awesome way. And Nami agreed. So Nami is a designer, and Law is the researcher, Doflamingo is the SEO manager, and Pocus the Ace is the developer, Whitebeard is the growth expert, Zoro is the reviewer. I need to add Luffy and other people as well. But this is the multi-agent stack, guys. This would be the grandest multi-agent stack for you guys. So this is completely hosted in Hermes, and this is not actually running in my laptop at the moment. It is fully remotely in Singapore. And the reason why it is so good is, even if everything crashes out, right? Even if we use a lot of agent space or RAMs or CPU or something, and somehow or the other we crash the system, I really don't care. I really don't have anything here. Even if it crashes, the most thing that I would lose is the data, and that data is actually being uploaded in cloud by Hermes itself into a Google Drive, so I can't lose that data as well. So every case scenario, it's going well, guys. Now I'm going to run this for a while until Whitebeard and Doflamingo understands what is happening here, and it will actually found 50. Doflamingo has actually found 50 high volume keywords for AI site builders, and it will come back. I want to create a bit more interaction so that I can go into these people and see what they're actually doing, and that will be coded right now. Today we can't actually push the app because Superbase is having some issue today. As you can see here, Superbase is down today, and my whole thing has been paused. But I would be uploading all of the screenshots of the app and everything like that, and then we will take from there. In the meanwhile, brilliant, please create a button for this thing. So Hermes will kind of figure out how to do that. In the meanwhile, I'm going to take a little bit of rest. Stage of getting the AAB file, and I'm going to upload it here by saying edit release. And here I will upload the file.
So I tried a couple of ways to upload the app to Play Store. Short story, it didn't actually work. There was a verification issue which was pending, and even though I was trying multiple ways, it was not going through because the verification needs to be done. After that, I tried out Claude Code Design or Claude Design, which is like a website builder / presentation builder built by Claude. I have yet to familiarize with it much more, but seems like a promising field there. I think that is the summation of this day, and I hope to see you on the next one.